Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to be opening up a package that someone sent to me from Japan. So this is going to have a bunch of Japanese snacks and maybe some like omiyage, like little souvenirs from Japan. This person wants to remain anonymous, so I will respect that and keep them anonymous, but they know who they are. Thank you so much for the package. I'm really excited for what's inside here. And yeah, that's the intro to this video. I'm not going to say much more. I'm just going to start opening and we're going to take a look at everything that we got in here from Japan. Ooh, so buttery. Let's do this. Oh man, I'm so excited. Before I open this all the way, I just want to say, I already said thank you. I'm going to say thank you again. I really appreciate this. This person has, yeah, they've supported a lot of my stuff and I really appreciate it. I don't really know what else to say except thank you so much. I'm really excited. This is my very first care package or anything from Japan that I've had since I left Japan. So really excited about what we got in here. Let's take a look. Oh, no way. This is awesome. Japanese Pringles. Pringle cup. Check that out. I've never had this before. I've never even heard of this before. Oh, it's ramen aji. So it's Pringles that are flavored like ramen. I've got gum in my mouth. I want to try this immediately. 1 second. Okay, it might be a little minty, but I don't care. Pringles that are ramen flavored? Are you kidding me? No way. These things smell like ramen. これラーメンの匂いです。ラーメンの匂いしてる。味はどうでしょうか。じゃあ食べてみよう。美味しい。ラーメンの味がすごい。超美味しい。ありがとうございます。This is fantastic. I've never had this is awesome. I've never had this before. We got a bunch of those. Oh man, I'm excited about this. Okay. My wife's gonna flip out. She's never had a lot of this stuff from Japan. A lot of this stuff that I've talked about, she's never had at all. I've never even had that before, so I'm really excited about that. Next up, cocoa cigaretto. This is like chocolate cigarettes. These are something I had when I was a kid in Japan. I've not had these for a very long time. They're really similar to like candy cigarettes that we get in the US, but these are chocolate ones. They've got like a wrapper around it. Looks like cigarettes, but yeah, fantastic. Really excited about this. I forgot that this existed actually. We've also got some konpeito, which is like a Japanese candy thing. I don't know how to explain this, but this is really good also. Thank you so much. I'm really excited about that. We have some shine muscatto candy, which is like a grape, assorted flavored grape candy. This is really good also. Super stoked on this. Thank you. Next. Yokosuka Kaigun Kare. This is Yokosuka Navy curry. This is like a famous curry from Yokosuka. So I'm really excited to try this. I love making curry at home. This is fantastic. There is so much stuff in here. Meiji chocolate, chocolate sand. Natsukashii desu ne. Kore choco sando desu. It's like a, I wouldn't call it an Oreo, but it's kind of like an Oreo. It's got matcha, which is green tea flavor on the inside of it. I'm stoked about that. I love green tea flavor. Takenoko no sato. This is like a, I don't know, like a cookie outside that has chocolate on it. This is really good. This is something I ate a lot when I was in Japan also. Kinoko no yama. Kinoko no yama. So this is kind of the same thing, but in a different shape. I believe the flavors are all the same though. I don't know. Are the flavors the same? I think the flavors are pretty much the same. Chocolate to cookie to chocolate to cracker. So chocolate cookie and a chocolate cracker. These are fantastic. Really excited to eat some of these. What do we got here? Different like assortment of candies right here. So there's like vitamin C, like lemon ones and chocolate things right here. I've never had this before. I don't recognize any of these right here. So it's not something I've had the yogurt once before, but an assortment of candies with the Japan 2020 Tokyo Olympics limited edition, it looks like right there. So limited design at least. These are just like an assortment of different kinds of candies. I've had a couple of these before, but I've not had the other ones, so I'm excited to give those a try. Okay, Kinoko no yama. Kinoko no yama, this is ichigo to chocoreto no aji. So this is strawberry and chocolate. So I'm excited for this one. This is actually my favorite flavor of this type of like candy, so really stoked about that. And we've got pizza party. Pizza party. This is a pizza party right here. It's like a make your own pizza thing. これ焼くのか? これ電子レンジで. Okay, so you put it in the microwave. You cook it in the microwave. Japanese food like this that comes in these little containers are pretty cool. It's got melon soda with it? No way. No way it's got melon soda. Okay, so you can see at the front there's that green thing right there. It says melon soda. Melon soda is really popular in Japan. I've never had it anywhere outside of Japan before. So it's been a really long time since I've had it. Melon soda is really good. I really like melon soda. So I'm actually like, Really, really excited to give this one a try. I might try it tonight. By the way, I will make a video of like trying these different things too. I know that some people are going to be excited to take a look at this stuff because you might not have seen it before. So if you're interested in seeing that stuff, I'll probably post videos, maybe not on everything, but trying, you know, some stuff here and there that you might not have seen before. So keep an eye out for that. Tanoshii osushi-yasan. That's a mouthful right there. Tanoshii osushi-yasan is, looks like it's like a make your own sushi. This is candy. This is not actually, so this one right here, are, これも candy. No, this is like actually cheese. And this is like actual. So this is candy though. So of course this is not going to really be raw fish or anything like that. But maguro, the tuna is actually grape flavored. The ikura is orange flavor. The tamago is apple flavored. So yeah, all the different ingredients right here have different gummy flavors instead of the actual thing itself. That'd be a little bit weird if they had put some raw fish in there, but I love this kind of stuff. This stuff's really good. They used to make stuff like that in the US. Like they had burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that that were like gummies. That's kind of better version of that, essentially. And it looks better too. Okay, another food item that looks kind of similar. Tanoshii omatsuri-yasan. So this one is Fun Time Omatsuri-yasan. Would be a fun time festival like box. So you've got different foods you might eat at festivals and things like that, and these are all gummy flavored things as well. I don't know what else to say after I'm opening this stuff. Stoked, happy, excited. I'm just happy. This is great. Thank you so much. And we've got one more of those like do-it-yourself boxes right here. Taiyaki and Odango. So this one's got fish that is chocolate cream on the inside of it. Some strawberry and chocolate right here, some mitarashi dango right there. Really excited. This is bringing back a lot of like nostalgic memories of Japan that I've forgotten about because, like I said, I've not got a box from Japan or a shipment of anything from Japan since I left Japan. So it's been like 10 years since I've had things shipped to me from Japan, or I've had anything that came directly from Japan outside of whatever I can get at Asian markets in the United States. And although there are some good Asian markets, there's a lot of stuff that they don't import at all because it's just not popular in the US and it costs too much money. So therefore, I'm not able to get a lot of it. Oh, there's more in here than what this big thing is right here. Looks like, oh, some more candy. Okay. There's a couple different kind of candies in these packages right here. These small candy things are delicious. I love getting stuff like this. And the last thing, which is the thing that I'm most excited about because I can see this right here. Yawaraka Pikachu Ball. It's a Pikachu Ball for my son. Oh, this is so cool. This is really, really cool. It looks like it might actually play music or something like that too. いろいろな音. あれ? いろいろな音って maybe there's just like random noises with it. I don't know. I'll have to open it up and take a look. But yeah, it looks like it's a little Pikachu ball for my son to play with. Really happy about this. This was so fantastic. Thank you so much. Again, the person that sent this to me wanted to remain anonymous, and I will respect that, but I will send this video to them directly so they can see it. I'm really excited to see Theo play with this. I think, you know, having something from Japan is kind of cool to have to give him since that's where I grew up. Thank you so much for all the gifts, for all the food. Like I said, I will try out a couple of these different snacks and candies and things like that on video at some point in time. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but probably soon because there's a lot of stuff here that I want to try. If you would like to send me something, you're more than welcome to. If you want to send me something from your home country and you want me to try it, or if you want to send me something just because you think it'd be funny, or a letter, or whatever you want, I'll put up the address you can send it to right here. I don't remember exactly what it is off the top of my head, so there's the address for it. Also, this awesome hoodie that I'm wearing right here that says Kuchi Sabishi. This is a phrase in Japanese that means lonely mouth or bored hungry. So when you're eating just to eat, you would say Kuchi Sabishi. So when I eat a lot of this stuff, I'll probably just be Kuchi Sabishi and not actually hungry. If you would like to get a hoodie or a t-shirt version of this right here, you can at vavilonclothing.com/new-products. I believe that's the URL. If not, I'm putting it up on the screen. There's also a link to this in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.